All right, today I'm going to talk about blemish-prone skin, acne, oily skin, and how our products really work with all safe, clean ingredients to get your skin to peak performance. So I've helped a lot of people with acne, and you don't need to compromise your health to have clear looking skin. So I'm going to talk about the CounterControl, and the CounterControl comes in gray, light gray bottles, and it's a part of a skincare regimen that will definitely get your skin looking awesome again, okay? So I'm gonna show you a little bit how to use them and some key ingredients of how they work. So, okay, first this is called the Clear Pore Cleanser. So first you wanna make your face a little bit wet. So I'm just gonna splash some water over my face a little bit. So when I put my cleanser on, it just kind of glides on, okay? So you don't need very much, and it smells really good. You need like a dime or a pea size. And it has little beads in there, so it's gonna really break up your skin nice and clean your pores. So what this does, the key ingredients is a skin balance of wintergreen and rosebay willow, okay? So you just kind of rub that over. You can feel your skin getting exfoliated, and then you just take a towel and you dampen it and you just wash it off. So what I like to do is have this really in my shower, because then I can rinse it a little bit nicer. But if you're not in the shower, you just take a washcloth and you wash it off, okay? So it feels really fresh and clean, and it feels really nice to clean your pores. So you do a gentle exfoliator like that, okay? So that's your first step. You always want to clean your face. Next is our toner. So our toner has a B5 vitamin in it, and it soothes your skin. It has witch hazel in it. It purifies your skin, and it really just works and it glides all over. So you want to shake it up, and you can put this on. I'm going to show you. Put it on a pad, and you just want to put a couple drops on there, and you just glide it over. So this kind of locks in the moisture, and it tones your face for the next step. And it feels really good. You can really smell the wintergreen fresh, okay? So it still didn't get all this dirt and grime off my face. It just gives you that one extra cleanse all over, okay? And it dries really fast, okay? It has aloe vera in it, soothes, it doesn't strip, it just cleans it really nice. So then the next step you don't want to forget is our serum. This is the all over acne. It is amazing. It will not only heal your acne, but keep it away too, and that's the whole goal. You just need like a pea size little amount, and this will glide on over your whole skin, okay? So this one just really helps with the acne. This is a really secret part of it. So the all over acne, and you want to use this regimen morning and night. Just when your skin is, you seeing results and it's clear, then if you want to do, for sure once a day, morning or night, that's fine. I know how life can get busy, but you don't ever want to miss your all over acne. Then we have the spot treatment, and this one has higher salicylic acid in it, so it's gonna zap your zits literally in hours. So I don't have any acne right now, but if I did, I would just spot treat where they're at. So a lot of people have it on their jaw, have it on their cheeks or their forehead, and this is great for that, just a spot treatment. Keep it in your purse, your going away bag, any of those. The last step is we want to lock in the moisture. We want to protect it. We want to soothe it, but we don't want it oily, because a lot of times when you have acne, you have oily skin. So this is the gel. This is brand new. And Gel Effect Cream. And this one just works really nice when you just apply it, and it just Feels really good on your skin. It looks like it's about gone. It's not new, it's about gone. My girls must have been digging in here. Okay, so I just got enough for one application left. And it just feels refreshing, okay? So this is also the last step. The Gel Effect Cream is also a great primer when you wanna wear makeup. It's moisturizing, but not oily. That's the cool part about it. It keeps it very matte looking. And it has a little bit of a stickiness to it, which is perfect for when you want a primer for makeup, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. You'll absolutely love this line. It comes with or without the spot treatment, but I recommend the spot treatment. And let me know if you have any questions, okay?